Alright, you coaches, come along, we can't be late. Where's the whistle? Oh, finally. Oh, hello there, Elizabeth. Good morning. Morning too, Eddie.
Who do you think is faster, me or big old Staniel? Of course it's me. I mean, I pulled the express, alright? Well, both of you shut up already. Well, mind your business over there then, kid. I'm only talking to Big Blue Staniel, alright? Shut up. Perhaps makes yourself useful there, Pixie. Go shun in the yard or something. I know, right? It's like he has no use or purpose. Hey, at least he saved me once, alright? He saved me from a runaway. Oh, yes, shut up about it there, George. We hear all about it.
Hey guys, have you heard about the new engine coming today? The controller said it, a tech engine.
Hold up, Duck. Are you seriously gonna say it's another tank engine? That means a new engine in our group! Yay! Finally, a new shunter. Another engine. You can use the little help on your work and have a new engine. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning, everyone. There's a new engine.
A new engine? What do they look like?
See, I told you guys. You guys won't believe me.
Hello there, Big fella.
Welcome there, Chris. Hello, everyone. The name is Chris. I came from the Southern Railway, actually. I came here to help with the shunting yard. So, where can I start?
Chris?
Have you ever actually shunt before? I mean, we actually have two shunters who are silly and cheeky a lot of times. Meaning, in most of the times, they're basically useless. AKA, they're actually never gonna shunt for the big tender engines. Instead, they're gonna play or stuff. I know, right? Well, what do we have here? A new engine came into the railway. I must tell the boss immediately. Alright there, boss. Hear me out. Well, what is it? I heard that there's a new engine on this place, and I literally seen it right in front of me. What? You're serious right now? We can now execute our plan. Great work there, Barry. It's actually Benny. I'm shunting in the street. Alright. This can jam the turntable straight away. Time just to wait for boss. Where is he? Is he late or something? Is he? Oh, there he is. Oi, the Barry. Do you have anything good for a plan? It's Benny. And yes, I do actually have something for the plan. I jammed the turntable. Alright, thankfully I already spilled oil on the tracks. Now that new engine might just slip on the tracks. I need to hide the evidence that I spilled it. Time for a good day work. Oh, wait, is that oil? Oh, whoa. Help! 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 Ow! Help! I keep telling you, sir, I didn't do it on purpose. The tracks were slippery. Don't you give me any more sort of nonsense there. I keep telling you, sir, I didn't do it. Please, sir, trust me. Please. Why is he the one to blame, though?
Please, trust me.
I clearly see the diesels
I didn't do it on
purposely placing those flatbeds on the turntable, jamming them. Ugh. What will happen to Chris? It just doesn't make any sense. Did the controller didn't see that the tracks were slippery and the turntables were jammed? Oh, hey Doc. Why are you up so late?
Hey Willie, do you see what actually happened at the yard?
Yes, I totally see it. I see a blue diesel shunting the flatbeds into the turntable, making it jammed or something. And I clearly see the controller of the turntable trying to move it, but it couldn't. It was jammed. Also, the tracks were spilled with oil by a green diesel. I seen those diesels from somewhere.
That means he's not an ingredient. I need to tell Pisky about this.
Oh my, what a great statue of me. I mean, look. Oh, Doc, what are you doing here out late? Willie told everything. He said that there are 2 diesels doing stuff in the yard. Wait, really? Oh my god. We need to find Chris.
Chris, where are you?
Oh wait, I can see him. He's up ahead, there, with a brake van. Hey Chris, what's up with you? I'm out of coal and water. I can't move anymore. Hey, you can go home now.
It wasn't your fault, Chris. It was those musky, dusty diesels.
Are you engines out of your minds? Trying to get an engine crash into a turntable without any explanation. You guys just jammed it, now it's broken, and now nobody can get out of the shed or even enter it. I'm sending both of you back to your shed. Now, please, no, sir, please, we promise. I'm begging you, sir, please. Thanks, guys. Now I can finally be a part of the railway.